너만 interrupt. You don't know me.
Go to closest gas station.
Head east on Conrad Crescent toward Hobbs Gate, then turn right onto Hobbs Gate.
How is the weather today?
It's currently clear and 27 degrees. Expect partly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon. And rain tonight with mixed conditions for the rest of the day. Temperatures are heading down from 27 degrees to 19 tonight.
How is the traffic to home?
On your way home, there's the usual traffic. The route via Woodbine Avenue, York Regional Road 8 and Ontario 404 South is the fastest. It is 10 minutes by car. In your way home, traffic is light. As usual, you should take the route via Bayview Avenue, York Regional Road 34 and John Street.
Just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I told you in the first song, I'll tell you in another. Just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I don't have a girlfriend, my hand's my only lover. Just a regular, everyday.
Right now in Markham, it's 27 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 27 and a low of 13.